Hello everyone, welcome to Yogo Designs. Today we will create this Christmas flyer with the help of these images. First of all, create a square canvas size. I usually take 2000 by 2000, but you can take your own size. Add our first background image and apply a mask on it, then hide the unwanted area. Now add our second image and blend it with our first image properly. Let's change overall color with the hue saturation setting. It's time to drag our Santa to our design. Place our Santa properly. Now we will add some depth to our Santa clothes. For this, duplicate the Santa layer and change its color mode to color burn. Now apply a mask on it, then fill mask with black color. Take white brush on color and highlight the border area of the cloth. Here is before and after. Before moving further, let's adjust this grass part of this image with the help of stamp tool. Now it's time to add some shadow below our Santa. Now convert our background into a smart object and apply a tilt blur on it. Our Santa is incomplete without its gift, so it's time to add gift with our Santa. Now add some snow to our design and change its color mode to screen. Then apply a mask and hide below area with the help of gradient tool. Let's add some color with hue saturation. It's time to add our text. Scale it properly. Now add some texture to our text. Clip mask it inside. Add a hue saturation inside it. Now add some stroke to our text. With the help of blend if, just adjust our texture. Add our another text for party. Add some stroke to it and some drop shadow with the red color. Now add some Christmas tree to our design and place it to the left side. then add blur to it. Make a duplicate layer and place opposite side of this tree. Now add some text according to flyer requirement. I will speed up this part. I hope you enjoy the process. If you like our design, please give a thumbs up on our video and also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the future notifications. If you are interested in another poster, you can check out our right side video, or if you are interested in logo process, then you can check our left side video.